so cute. What are you showing me? Cute little bunnies.
I know, but listen to the music. There's ever epic music. That means there's something epic about to happen. Don't be so late. Oh, there it is!
Whoa! Tornado!
Come on, give me stuff.
Give me stuff. Gimme.
Listen, I've got stuff. Damn it! Come here! Where is it? That what? Wait, we must eliminate all plants from the premises!
No! I mean, yes!
Look at that, there's literally no food. That's good. Then where is the stuff? Where is it? I'm dying! Ah! Get out! Dorvish! Where is he? Mr. Dorvish! Where did he go? Oh, there he is! Jellystone! Need to eliminate food from the premises. Dorvish! I want Dorvish slimes, but no drift crystals. What? Give me stuff. Give me the drift crystals. Oh, it's gone. I'm gonna go into a different area.
They look like cheers, but they're rocks, right?
No, they were cheers.
Keep jumping.
Because it makes me go faster.
Yeah, I like jumping too. It's like, so I found out what time we can go to the park today.
Oh no, I accidentally activated an auto click by doing this. My mouse got stuck.
So it's 9:30.